Watch the World Cup live just on YouTube without premium. The channel is called CazéTV. It's Brazil's official World Cup broadcaster streaming all 104 matches live on YouTube. Check the live schedule right on their channel. First of all, open YouTube. Go to search bar and search for CazéTV. Now tap on CazéTV and go to the live section. And here all of the matches will be streamed live. If in your app you're saying the video is not available in your region, then simply go to the Play Store. We can fix this problem easily by doing VPN. Now search for VPN. As this is Brazil YouTube channel, so you just want to download any VPN, you can download any. Here are a lot of options. Just tap on something and install it and select Brazil. Here is the Brazil icon. After you install, tap on Brazil and your VPN or IP address will be set to Brazil, and you can head back and tap on any video and enjoy the live for free without subscribing to any premium option on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped you enjoy this World Cup season.